Hey everybody, it's Dr. Alan Bauman from Bauman Medical Hair Transplant and Hair Loss Treatment Center right here in Boca Raton, Florida. And I've got some exciting news. We have a new technology for hair shedding and hair growth that's needle-free and pain-free. No needles, no pain, and the treatment's done just within minutes. Stay tuned, I'm going to introduce you to Ted. Hey, I can't wait to introduce you to Ted. No, not my friend Ted, this Ted. TED stands for Transepidermal Delivery, and that means we can take serums, hair growth treatments that stop shedding and improve hair growth, and push them directly through the skin with no needles and no pain. So needle-free, pain-free TED is an ultrasonic delivery system that's done within minutes here in the office. And so we're going to show you everything you need to know about TED, this brand new, exciting technology for hair growth and hair shedding. We'll talk to some patients who have had the treatments done. We'll talk about the science. We'll show you exactly how it works. And if you have questions about TED, click on some of the links below. And I look forward to chatting with you soon.
My hair loss and thinning, it affects me in terms of how much time it takes me to do my hair in the morning. My hair loss makes me definitely more self-conscious, makes me think about my hair, the position my hair is in throughout the day, ensuring that it is in the position that makes it look like it's not thinning as bad as it is, and really just, it takes away from my self-confidence and a lot of the time during my day.
I've in a pretty stressful job, and I've just started noticing like an aging. I almost feel like I look like I'm aging, but I've realized that it's my hair actually receding a bit and thinning out. So the thinning, the hair loss, that's the biggest thing. I'm in the beauty industry, so it's kind of important that I'm following those same protocols that I'm recommending to others and looking young in front of the camera.
I'm a United States Army veteran, and as such, I'm one of the founders of the Great Team Military Community. And because of that, I'm on camera quite a bit. And I've noticed that my hairline is starting to recede. And since I only look at myself in the mirror, and the camera angles are quite a bit different, and it's beginning to bother me that, you know, my hair is starting to thin out.
So the skin provides an effective natural barrier to the outside world. But if we're trying to apply something therapeutic under the skin, this can become a challenge unless you're using a needle. The game-changer technology behind TED, Transepidermal Delivery, is that with no needles and no pain, we can disrupt the skin's natural protective barrier temporarily. This is done using safe, painless, ultrasonic sound waves and air pressure. The TED device is applied directly to the scalp, driving the powerful serum deep into the tissue, right to the level of the follicles within minutes, where it can have that hair growth effect.
My name is Christina. I'm 33 years old. I'm an office administrative assistant for a media company. The TED procedure was extremely relaxing, and I felt comfortable the whole time. It was extremely painless. I thought it might be a little bit uncomfortable at first, but it definitely wasn't, and everything went very smooth.
The TED procedure consisted of them first gridding out the areas of concern for me, and then after that going through and combing back those gridded out areas of hair and using an ultrasound technology on those specific areas. The TED itself was painless and honestly somewhat relaxing. I felt as though I could fall asleep during the procedure. It
was kind of a cooling feeling and like a slight vibration, but actually I started falling asleep during the treatment. So it was very relaxing. I have really long hair, so I was a little concerned that it was going to have an effect on that and maybe get some matting, but that didn't happen at all. It was very comfortable and kind of cooling when they put the serum, so I'm really excited to see the results.
So I was prepped with, there may be some high-pitched ringing because it is using ultrasonics, but honestly, it wasn't an issue whatsoever. I didn't really feel anything other than just a slight tingling in the scalp, and the high-pitched vibration is honestly, it's even a little bit relaxing.
So if you still have questions about TED, transepidermal delivery for hair growth or hair shedding, click on the links below and we can chat about it. And thanks for coming to my TED Talk.